Well, hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the traveling crafter, and we're here with a very fun flip throw. Oh my god. This is, by the way, the second time that I've started this video, and boy, oh boy, I'm batting 1,000. Flip through of the two lavender journals. We have Francesca and Isabella. So let's go ahead and check out Francesca first. She is, you have to excuse my backdrop. I mean, a little boo-boo. She is 9 1/8 by 7 3/8. And there are 70 pages front and back, so 35. There are, the front is, each of them have a pocket full of goodies that go along with the journal. And I have embellished the pocket. This was a ring binder with pockets. So this is wallpaper. This was an old, gosh, what was that? I think this was a hanky, and this was some fabric I had. This was some trim off of a pillowcase. And so there's quite a bit of fabric in here. And then we have our first pocket. I like to do a lot of these pockets. We've got some embossed paper and a little eye chart. And then the little typewriter. Lots and lots. I left lots of space for you guys to be able to write as much as you want. I did put all of the pages in here. You can take out whatever you want, reuse them, make new things with them. That needs a little spot of glue. Hang on. But I just wanted these to be very kind of a shabby country French bookstore inspired theme. We got a little dangle on here. And you'll have to forgive me. I'm doing a lot of videos today. And I started my day off doing one with ink. And that was not a very good choice. But so please forgive me. I have a piece of the French pattern, paper embroidery pattern. This is a book plate from my book. So lots of little extras. There's lots of vintage mixed in with some scrapbook paper. This was from a cut and collage book. I use that quite a bit in both of them because I really liked it. This is one of the hankies. I did the hanky dresses with these as well. So if you didn't catch that video, this was a, I don't know if this was digital or just regular scrapbook paper. I don't really know. We've got a library pocket with a couple. This is from Celeste. A beautiful work she always does. These we did together from the old greeting cards. And then this just flips up and there's more goodies in here. There's a pocket here. And then a pocket here with another card in it. Right there. I won't pull that all the way out, but I think we made these together too. There is one of my banner tucks and tabs. So we got that in there. More of that paper. This is one of, this is actually a watercolor that I did, and it's a digital. We've got horseshoe falls. So we've got an old card, and I believe this is a wraparound. Yep. And then I just stuck a couple of things in there. There's the wraparound. Some more goodies in that. So it goes around like this. I just clip that on there. So like I said, I try to leave lots of space for writing and things that you could remove easily and little secretive fun spots for you to journal. So this is a card with a, it's a poem, I guess. I don't know. Another little card. I didn't do a lot of ribbons and bows and such in there. But another pocket there. Some Kool-Aid dyed paper with more of that trim. This is another one of my watercolors that I was just playing with. We got a little journal. Oh, these stinking things. They just do not stay on very well. A little journal card. This is an inventory piece that actually folds out for you. We made these together. Oh, these actually we did on the retreat, I believe. And it is full of, this is a pocket tag. This I think I did with jelly. Oh, with, I jelly plated alcohol inks. This is one of my digitals from the coffee, and another little journal card. There's a little ticket there. And on this side, there is a pocket. And then this is just an old vintage greeting cards. This came from a scrapbook. More digitals. Who is this? I think it's the Junk Journal Studio. These are just a ledger page with, this is with some stickers on it. This is from Shakespeare, Much Ado About Nothing. More of that. A little pocket with some goodies inside of there. We've got, this is from my Ida Digital. So is that. Maybe this isn't. Yeah, I think so. I think this is from the Junk Journal Studio. More little typewriters, some Braille. I'm going to have to go back through this and double check these reinforcers because that is going to drive me crazy. This is a pocket that has 7 little tucks in it. And we did these together on the retreat. That's what I was trying to think. So there's the first one. And then it's just a whole bunch. So I filled it full of a few little there's that. And that. There we go. And some stenciled music notes. This is another one of my watercolors. This is an over-the-top flap. I'll show you that in a second. And this is from, I think this is from the Granny Chic book. But it's full of all kinds of goodness. So there's that. And that. And then this is filled. There's an old home photo with a bunch of gentlemen hanging out, and the laundry's on there. This is for a white chocolate macadamia cupcake. And then there's a few little goodies in here, a ticket. And I think this is this is another one of my coffee digitals from Lion's Coffee. So there you go. And then this flips up, and there's a couple more little tags in there. Super, super cute. I did not do, a lot of sewing on this particular one this time. On neither one of these. So, you know, I had to switch it up. Every once in a while, you got to do that, you know? You know what I'm saying? This is, I think this is Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodads. I just say, I didn't do much sewing, and then there's a sewn page. Another little policy pocket. Another big pocket with all kinds of treasures in here. This, I think Sandy did. I'm pretty sure. This is some French, a French receipt. And then a little piece of cardstock made into a card or whatever for a journal spot. Let's see, what was this from? I don't remember. Well, it's talking about Birmingham, Alabama. farming in England. I don't know. I do not know. This is an old French letter, and then I actually put the letter in here, and then it's got some more. This is all French ephemera in here. Original antique French ephemera. This is another one, and this, I believe, is from Hazel. I'm pretty sure. This is from Hazel at Hazel and Naka Designs. This is one of her digitals. I used this in another project, and I had that one left over. And then in each of these, I had this. This is why most of all it's harder to turn, because I stuck this in here. It's just an old Reader's Digest cover that I thought would make a great writing board. I put nothing on it. I thought whoever gets this could totally do that if they wished. And then in the back pocket, we have a, oh gosh, what do you call these? Dividend check. This is a wooden postcard. And we have American Telephone and Telegraph Company letter. And another little piece that is from that Ida kit for mine. And that tops off this lovely. So, my friends, this is the Lace and Gingham Francesca junk journal in lavender. So, see, I made a goal. I made a goal happen. I did not one, but two, mostly lavender, but purple journals. So, I'm pretty excited. I really do like how they turned out. This is Isabella. She is 7 1/4 by 9 1/4, and she has 88 pages in there. Same bag with all the goodies in there. Same pocket in the front. These are some of my watercolor digitals. What do we have in here? This is from that Ida kit as well, and there's also another one of those floral book plates. I'll kind of go through this. This is a 1939. I don't remember if this is a letter or just the envelope. Oh, yeah. There's a letter in there. This is just a little hair clip that I popped on there. Another one of those pockets with these pocket tags that we made. There's something on that. Glue in there. A couple more up here. A little magnetic paper clip. The other side of that from the other one. Lots of these. See what I'm saying about these things? Oh, they just, like I said, before these go out, I'll make sure. At least I've done it to the best of my ability. This is just a tag. This is one of the retreat projects with this cardstock. And then I just added the button strip on there. This is from one of my hanky digitals. I don't know if that one is or not. And this is just a cute little playing card. This was gifted to me. Maybe from Pam Van E. Another little hair clip. Actually, I think this is supposed to go over here. Yes, it is. Because that other one already, that one didn't have one. Some of Tina's paper. A couple more little tuck spots. This is, yeah, I was thinking it was an envelope, but it's not. Let's see, another pocket with, this has got the French paper, just like the other one. This one folds out with a couple of journal cards in here, and then one up here. More pretty papers. I had organized all of my stencils, so I did do quite a bit of stenciling in here. Again, this will turn much easier if you take out that writing board in the back. Another, this is just a 3-tiered pocket with all kinds of goodies. I won't go through all of them because there's a lot of these are similar. Again, another pocket. A little dangle. This little envelope is a side envelope. It's got some goodies in there. This is from a paper kit, which I really liked it. More from that. It was a, what is it called? Cut and collage, I think is what it's called. Another flip down pocket with some beautifulness in it. There's your old vintage photos. This wraps around as well. All the French ephemera is in here for this one. More Kool-Aid dyed paper. This is just a little side pocket. Did I make it to come out? Oh, just like that. This is from the Granny Chic. I tried to do them similarly, but different. So another clipped-on pocket with a ticket and some more of the coffee goodies. Another one of my digis. More of this. We got a placemat. Oh no, this is not placemat. This is what do you call that stuff you write on? Stationery. This is from the Ida kit. A vintage ledger. More Much Ado About Nothing. This one's kind of a fragile page. More of my watercolor little pocket. There's something in there. There we go. On the desserts page. So I really liked the mix of how this kind of came together with the different designs, different eras. This is one of my watercolors that I just played with. I think we did that together a long time ago. More of these. There's the... And then you'll see when you get back here, there's the other side of that. Reader's Digest. It's upside down, as you can tell. And then more little goodies back here with the dividend checks. So it is chucked full of things that you can certainly take out. Again, this is Isabella, 7 1/4 by 9 1/4. And there are 88 pages in this one. So there you have it. They are both available on the Maker's Market. So be sure to take a peek over there. If you are interested in having one of these in your collections, I hope you enjoy it. And I believe, yes, I did sign both of these as well. So they are ready to rock and roll. I'm going to take some photos and get them on the Maker's Market. And they should be there for you to peruse. So thank you, friends, for being here. Let's see if I didn't mention it. Today is day 17, April 17th, and our Give a Scrap host today is Carrie at My Vintage Shabby Shop. So go check her out. If you're following along, you can look at the playlist so you don't miss anybody's video, which then enters you into the drawing for the journal at the end of the month. So until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.